This morning I'll be making some grits, and I already got my bacon on. Excuse the noise in the background, I got some laundry running. So I'll usually add in my water. I'm just making a small little pot. My son, he doesn't like grits, so got my water. And in that water I like to add chicken bouillon. This is chicken bouillon that I use. Then I'll be adding butter. Okay, I'm gonna let that boil. Then I'll be adding my grits. And then I'll be adding a little heavy whipping cream. Okay, it's hot enough for me to add my grits. I don't measure. I just pour until I think it's enough. Stir. The thing you want to do when you make grits, you want to continuously stir because you don't want any lumps. And these are the quick 5-minute grits that I usually let my grits cook for about 20 minutes to make them nice and creamy. And I'm still stirring. So right now, this is the consistency, but we're not going to stop right there. I like my grits a little smoother. So then I add heavy whipping cream. You can use any brand. I have the Great Value. You stir. Oops. Now I'm going to let it cook on low and put my lid on. Turn it down. Okay, we're going to check our grits. Add some more butter. Stir. Now you can actually eat them right now, but I like to add my cheese in. So the cheese I'm using is Colby Jack. You can use any cheese you like. Right now I'm using Colby Jack. Sometimes I use Gouda or just regular sharp cheddar cheese. I'm gonna put the top back on till the cheese melt. If it's too thick, you can add a little more water to it or heavy whipping cream. So far, this is what we got. Stir it in. Now this is how I like my grits. I like it thick. See how creamy that is? No lumps whatsoever. You always want to cook your grits on low. You do not want to rush your grits. See that? No lumps. Creamy grits. See, and there you have it. This is all I wanted for breakfast. Some grits and bacon and a cup of coffee. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.